part 5 of my egg series. Man, this video here gonna be off the chain. If you old school and you like this kind of food, you're gonna love this egg recipe. Now come here, it's gonna be easy. Let me show you what you need. All you're gonna need is some eggs. You're gonna need some milk. I'm getting a little older, so I'm gonna use a little old fat milk on this here one. Velveeta cheese. Hog head cheese. Now you get the hot kind, you want a little spicier, but this is the original. And some flour tortillas. That's all you need. And we're gonna hook this recipe up, and it's gonna be so quick and easy to fix. So while I'm fixing this video, I'm gonna show you what else I do. I do more than cooking. Ask somebody. I decorate. Thanks to Life of This Housewife, you can check out on YouTube. I decorate too, and she got an awesome channel. But check this out here. I got my fall colors here. I got my little pumpkins and calendars. Oh, come here, let me show you this here. Yeah, I do more than just cooking. Check it out. I got my leaves here. Look, I got my little owls. Look at that, the little feast thing. I like this here. I like this little setup here. And then check out my table. Oh man, look at that. I got all the fall colors. Thanks to Life of This Housewife. Check out on YouTube. And look, my bill ain't even matching. Come on now. You can't get no real net. Come check the kitchen out. Just a little stuff I buy. Look at that. Look at that. Got my little pumpkins, my little owl sitting over there. Oh man. And like I said, check out Life of This Housewife on YouTube. She do the same thing, better than me. You better ask somebody. I wash my hands. Another thing you never see me do. Better ask somebody. I wash my meat. I mean, I'm talking about the food I cook. Get out of here.
Whoops, I'm sorry.
Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now come here, this is going to be kind of easy to do. Now you want to try to get this here meat brown. See what I'm doing? Just put it in there. This is the head cheese. Just put it in there. It's going to melt down. It's going to make the grease that you need. That's what you want. You want it to break down like that there? And once you break it down, now, let's get this broken down a little bit. Turn the feet down. All right, now, while that's breaking down, check it out. Now you little eggs. Now I put a little salt and a little black pepper in the eggs. The reason, and a little milk. The reason I done that there because this ain't the hot kind of hell head cheese. Now you want to stir that in there. See there? You put them eggs in there just like that. And you scramble these all up together. All right, there we go. We got it going on browning. Now you come back, I'm gonna show you how it look. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man, look at here. Now, you got the eggs all scrambled up. Now look at that. You wanna take that there. See your hog head cheese already got all the seasoning in it. That's why you add a lot of flavor to it. Just a little salt and a little pepper. And that melted cheese. Now, if you want to, you can roll these up like this. And you can do them just like I done my beef burritos. And you can brown. I mean, it's got all the flavor in there. Man, this is going to be good. I'm telling you, it's an egg recipe. It's old fashioned. If you like head cheese, you're going to love this. If not, I don't know what to tell you, but it's a good recipe.
Cooking General, did you wash that meat?
You better ask somebody.